All right, so we just got this in the Schnells. It's a router with external battery. Interesting. Let's unbox it. So we got to get this open right here. They really don't want you getting in the package, do they? There we go. All right, cool. So here we are. Smart and safe charging, dedicated customer service, 18 months extended warranty. So it's got a warning. Not sure what that's about. It's got a gigantic booklets. Yikes. Wait a minute, I'm not done. There's more. Two more. Wait a minute, there's another one. Oh, that's ridiculous. I don't know if I want to. Does come with a USB-A to USB-C. Here she be. Ta-da! All right, so this has probably got a learning curve on it. It says on here, enable Wi-Fi, press and hold power button for 5 seconds until Wi-Fi indicator flashes. So let's take that off of there. And so here's the power button here. It's got an SD card slot there. It's got a Wi-Fi button here. It's got an SD to USB here. Wow, this thing's like loaded with stuff. So if I press that for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bam. So now the question is, this is going to take some reading and figuring out, but that's everything that comes in the box. Basically, it's just this and a bunch of books. All right, so anyway, there's your on button, right? You press that and hold it, and it comes on. So you can see it's 5G and it's internet ready. See that? Now, to charge it, I've got to come to the top. See, that's the top, right? I pop this open, right? And then if you look, you're going to see USB-C. So what I've got to do is get my USB-C cable, which I have. I'm just going to plug it in. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off while it charges. So I press this and hold it. And then look, you can see it's blinking. And so now I'm just going to set that down and let it charge. And then, yeah, we've got our little internet doohickey. I mean, you know, it's kind of cool, right? So I'm going to set it down, we'll let it charge, and then we'll do some more videos on it. So you're going to notice that this blinks like every second while it's charging. And so we're just going to let it charge up, and then we'll put her to good use. And as you can see, we've got a solid battery indicator here. So this thing is charged up, ready to go, and we can use it. We're going to see how good it works out now. All right, so check it out. Got the full battery here. Now we can go ahead and unplug it and close this little thingamabob. Now, I do want to tell you guys, it's got 2G and 5G, but if you're going to use 5G, you're going to need an Ethernet cable, according to the booklet. So just know that. But you can use the lower amount on here. So let's go ahead and just turn it on. You got to hold it for 5 seconds. And then on your Wi-Fi, to get your Wi-Fi in, you got to hold it for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. All right, so you can see it. Look, it's blinking. It's blinking. So apparently, it is now. Well, it did stop for a second. Still blinking. There we go. All right, I think we're ready to go. See, look, it's a solid. All right, so now we can do our thing. We'll try it out on this phone. So we got to go to settings, right? Settings. And then we're going to go to Wi-Fi. Oh, what happened? Wi-Fi. All right, you got to go Wi-Fi. And it's going to come right up. You can see it right there, right? And it's this one right here. So I just got to click on it. And bam, we're in. And now we can go ahead and do, you know, we can do our thing. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out. Oh, there we go. So now it's working. Okay, so it's definitely working. Here you go. I'm on Instagram. It's not the greatest, but it's better than a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. All right. Oh my God.